What did he mean by working backwards and moving outside in? What does he actually mean? So the old classic model was that what we do is develop products or services. We then go to find a market for them, and we segment by circumstance. We use demographics, and we look at where people are living, what's the economic value, what's the family situation, what's their education level. And when we've done that bucketed segmentation, we then go out and look at customers who actually fit that criteria. And if you're not careful, for any large organization, you find yourself pitching at the whole world, right? And then we end up in this big, what I refer to as a big bad mess. But why is it a big bad mess now? Well, in the last 20 or so years, as customers have become sophisticated and enlightened and promiscuous and rebellious and so on, what worked in the past doesn't work anymore. It doesn't mean what was working in the past is dumb. It just means it was never designed to do what we're trying to do in the third decade of the 21st century.